All right, now number 11, again, label x1, y1, then the second order is x2, y2. I'm going to use the slope formula again, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I'm going to plug it in. y2 is 3 minus, now be careful, minus negative 4. So there's going to be a negative and a negative. And then x2, which is 4, minus, and x1 is, another negative, minus 3. Now remember what your teachers taught you. When you have a negative negative simultaneously like that, like a little Red Riding Hood. Oh look, a stick. Pick up that stick and put it right there. What happens? You get a plus. So this becomes 3 plus 4. And anyway, the same, you got the idea. 4 plus 3. That becomes 7 over 7, which is simply 1. So the slope is 1. Now we're going to find the y-intercept. And we're going to use the slope-intercept to do that. Y equals mx plus b. Again, I'm going to choose the first coordinate. So I'm going to go y is negative 4, because that's what that is right there, equals the slope, which is 1, times x, which is negative 3, plus the b. 1 times negative 3 is just negative 3, plus b equals negative 4. Now, to solve for b, I'm going to do the opposite of minus 3, which is add 3 to both sides of the equation. And something cool happens. As negative 3, positive 3 cancels out, which becomes a b. On the left, negative 4 and positive 3 combines to become negative 1. I found my y-intercept. And I found my slope. So I'm going to put them together and serve it up. Y is equal to 1x, or just simply x, plus negative 1, or so simply minus 1. And this comes out nice and neat. Look at that. And the last one, I'm going to go a little faster on this one, okay? But you're going to see the same routine. Label x1, y1, x2, y2. Sounds familiar? Find the slope. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Plug it in. y2 is negative 5 minus y1 is 2. x2 is 1 minus, be careful, negative 4. Negative 5 and negative 2, since they're both negative, what? This was a minus. It's the same thing. Negative 5 and negative 2, when you combine them, they become negative 7. And then 1 minus, oh, look, a stick. Yeah, you got the idea on that one, right? So that's 1 plus 1 plus 4, which is positive 5. So you could say negative 7 over 5 is just like saying the quotient of negative 7 over 5. There's a slope. Now the y-intercept. We're going to use a slope-intercept form, mx plus b. Again, I'm going to choose the first coordinate, just out of habit, and plug it in here. So y is 2. Slope I found to be negative 7 over 5. X is negative, this one's going to be kind of horrendous. Alright, but no worries. Negative 7 times negative 4, negative become positive 28 over 5. Now I'm going to solve for b by getting rid of the 28 over 5 by subtract 28 over 5. And whatever you do to one side, you do it to the other. So on the right side, they gone. All you have remaining is the b. So visit 4th grade again. So this is like saying 2 minus 28 over 5. Put a 1 underneath. What's the common denominator? It's 5. So I'm going to multiply 5 here and upstairs. So 5 times 2 is 10 over 5 minus 28 over 5. And 10 over 5 minus 28 over 5, there's more negatives. So it's going to become negative 18 over 5. And that is going to be my y-intercept. I got my y-intercept. I got my slope. I'm going to put them together. And the answer becomes y is equal to negative 7 over 5x minus 18 over 5. This is just as bad as the first one, or number 10. But I think you got the idea.